water dropper. It is a air-filled plastic container that moves water to another place to another, just like a water bottle. Then the second question was, how do we use it? We use it like this. You can see. We put the water dropper tip into the water and then slowly squeeze it until the air falls out. And when you leave it, you can see the water has come. Thus, the third and the final question was, how do you use it? When we have done this, we are going to pour it into a tissue paper. For example, I'm just going to pull it up like this and just spread it on the tissue paper. You can see that the last drop of water is in the tissue paper. I'm going to show you multiple times. To release more. And one more time, last time. And let me pour it here. And I need to pick it clearly so when the water drops out. Here we have got an oval shape. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.